You own, what, about 6% of a company that's going to rocket to more than about a $10 billion valuation. How do you feel?
Feels great. Feels awesome. Yeah. It's not about me, though. It's if you think about Astera, it's really all about the people who have helped us get to this valuation, and it's the people who are going to push us to new heights. So very excited about today.
Jitendra, good morning from San Francisco, and sorry to interrupt you. Just a few minutes before you joined us on the program, Bloomberg reported that your stock is indicated to open at $52.56 a share. That's a 46% premium on where the IPO priced. What's your reaction to that?
I think stock market prices are something that we should be aware of, but not let them drive us. It's my philosophy. I think it's an indication of the confidence that our investors are placing in us. So we are very, very glad, have a lot of gratitude for them. But we'll keep our heads down, continue executing, continue building products.
And let's talk about that execution that's driven your revenue to, last year, $116 million, almost doubling. But you've still got a net loss of $26 million. When do you think you will be able to provide that profitability that so many investors want to see?
So we declared that the last quarter we were indeed profitable. A focus for Astera Labs from the inception has been to build a strong business, one that can stand on its own 2 feet, without external support. And that's what we've been doing for the last 6 years. We turned in a profitable quarter last quarter, and we will continue to drive our business forward in the coming quarters and years to come.
Jitendra, there were no fewer than 271 mentions of the word AI in your most recent SEC filing before this morning. And I think it's worth discussing what Astera actually does, right? You make the hardware or the chip that allows for the high-speed connection between different parts of the server rack, or, as is now more commonplace to call it, the computer, the compute platform. How are you actually benefiting in the real world from this AI infrastructure build-out that we're seeing before our eyes?
Yeah, that's a great question. And let me give you a little background. So whenever you enter a query into a ChatGPT, or you look for a recommendation coming from Netflix or Amazon, what happens in the back is in a data center, thousands, hundreds of thousands of computers, many times based on GPUs, come into action. And they talk to each other very, very rapidly at very, very high rates. And in fact, the rates are so much that they're not able to talk very well together. And that's where our products come in. We enable the CPUs and GPUs to talk to each other. A great analogy might be one of running a race. If you want to run really fast, you will get tired. And so you run a relay race. You start from one point, you run very fast, pass the baton onto the next guy, and continue forward. That's what our products do. They enable all of these brains that are behind AI to talk to each other very fast and very reliably.
Briefly, you've raised $730 million. What are you doing with it, Jitendra?
We have so much opportunity in front of us. We are in a very unique position where our customers are coming to us and telling us, build me this, build me this. You guys are good at semiconductors. You can build hardware. You can do software. We've earned a trusted advisor status with our customers, and so much opportunity in front of us. So we will use this money to really accelerate the product development that we've done, hire more people. If you're watching this and you're looking for a job at Astera Labs, please apply.